How to enter a Jeep code in Cash App when creating an account. When creating an account in Cash App, you typically need to enter your Jeep code as a part of the process to verify your identity and set up your account. So here are the steps. At first, you have to download the Cash App from the App Store in your iOS or Google Play Store on your Android, then open the very application. There you have to tap on the Sign Up or Create the Action button. Now there you have to provide your email address or phone number to receive a confirmation code. You can check your email or the SMS for a code, then enter it into the very application. You can link your bank account by entering your debit card information and then fill in your personal information as prompted. This will include your full name and possibly your date of birth. When asked for your address, you can enter your street address and the Jeep code. The application will have a specific field for the Jeep code during this step. Now you can follow the remaining prompts to complete the setup of your account. You have to make sure to double check your Jeep code for accuracy to avoid any of the issues with your account verification. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.